At a glance, most business schools seem to offer a lot of the same things, but Ivey isn't like most business schools. Ivey stands above the rest. Our case method learning sets us apart from other schools in a big way. Here's how. While other schools lead with lectures and have case examples here and there, we lead with case method learning, bringing real-world examples to the forefront of the class every day. It shapes how our students and alumni think throughout their careers. Here's why our unique approach to learning matters. An Ivey class is not a traditional lecture. You will learn by doing, solving problems where there is not always a clear path. Mirroring the unpredictability of the real world, you'll make decisions with limited or too much information. At Ivey, the learning experience is like a world-class symphony orchestra. It's incredibly active, and you'll learn from the entire classroom. It is multi-directional and ever-flowing between professor and students. Everyone contributes their unique perspectives, and the professor acts as a conductor, guiding the discussion through the score. At Ivey, you learn by practice. It's a leadership simulator and a safe place to make mistakes as you build your decision-making potential, accelerating your journey to great leadership. Would you rather fly with a pilot who's only read manuals and sat through lectures, or a pilot who's trained in hundreds of case simulations? If you want a truly active learning experience, if you want to learn from diverse perspectives, and practice making leadership decisions that mirror the real world, then there's case method learning at Ivey.